Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sai Kumar and I'll be the host for this particular video. In this video we are going to discuss about the 21 important keynotes from Google for developers. So let's not waste our time, let's dive into today's topic. So on October 11th there was an interactive event or a session from Google which was named as Google Cloud Next 22. In this, CEO of Google Sundar Pichai sir and also Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud, have given some important updates related to their coming up plans from Google, and it will be available for developers also. So introduction, Thomas Kurian is the CEO of Google Cloud. Google is one of the cleanest cloud in the industry. So Google Workspace, productivity and collaboration apps helps around 3 billion users now. AI stands really important for Google Cloud, and Google as the first AI company in the world. Google uses the AI in the field of translation, in computer vision and also in NLP, that is nothing like natural language processing. Google is now applying cloud AI tools which helps in the own business challenges also. Translate Hub. So earlier we were able to use 24 new languages from Google. Now they are launching Translation Hub, which helps in translating more languages. Google's AI agent that helps companies to translate the content into nearly 135 languages. This is the greatest update. So this will be a full document that included even image and translates them while preventing the layouts and formatting. So our second update is that Google Cloud carbon footprint. As you all know that now the carbon footprint is increasing a lot and the emission is also increasing a lot. So because of that, nearly from past 10 years, 460% of the Google search have risen that how to reduce carbon footprint. So Google Cloud carbon footprint is now generally available for free for users in the cloud console, so that they can see and optimize their cloud carbon impact. And let's go with a third update now. That is eco-friendly routes. Google Maps expanded eco-friendly routes features to 40 new countries in the Europe. So eco-friendly routes are coming to Google Map platform as well as on Google Cloud for developers and transportation industries. I hope that the eco-friendly route features will be available for other countries very soon. Next, Google Cloud is collaborating with MUNICH Re. MUNICH Re company is one of the leading reinsurance companies in the German multinational insurance company. So Google's AI tool helps them to better build damage reduction models faster and most cost efficient and speed up their resolution time so that they can help the people who are in that particular situations. So this is a great idea, and let's go with our fifth update now. Accurate Flood Prediction, FDL, that is Frontier Development Lab, is partnershiping with NASA and even Google Cloud. The same FDL builds model that takes an existing satellite images and transform them to represent the accurate flood prediction areas. This helps the rescue team to protect the people from flooded regions. So this is another great update. It can save the people's life. Project Starline, our sixth update. It is an AI tool which creates a 3D model of a person, making it feel like that the person is sitting with you in the same room. So it's a great update. You feel like you are sitting with another person in that particular same room. User noted the powerful ability to make eye contact and become more engaged and connected. So let's go with our seventh update now, that is BIGLAKE supports APACHE ICEBURG. Previously, BIGLAKE was not supporting with APACHE ICEBURG. From now onwards, even that will be supported. BIGLAKE is a storage engine that unifies data warehouse and lakes by enabling BigQuery and open source framework like Spark to access data and find grant access controls. ICEBURG is the first of the trio of open source data lake table format that Google will support from the over time. BIGLAKE will support Apache ICEBURG with Delta and Hoodie format. User can now analyze and visualize all the data using two styles of analyzing that is governance analysis, often used for official reporting and enabled in applications. Self-service analysis, which is more distributed and typically used for reporting and dashboards. So this is also another great update. Let's go with our 8th update now. Looker. Looker is a Google Cloud business intelligence tool like Power BI, Tableau. So that helps with data visualization used for governance data access. Today Google unified Looker and Data Studio BI to Looker Studio and Looker Studio Pro. So previously there was a Looker Unified and even Data Studio. They are now combining them both and they are making it into Looker Studio and Looker Studio Pro. Looker Studio, formerly Data Studio, that is a self-service analysis. Looker Studio Pro, customer support and governance features. Looker also works with Tableau BI tools also. It's a great update. So our 9th update is Vertex AI Vision, an end-to-end application development environment that helps developers build and deploy computer vision applications easily. This is a great update for us data scientists and even the data engineers. You can deploy and build applications easily at less time. We can use the model output to perform time series with BigQuery and predict the traffic patterns. Let's go with our 10th update now, that is Software Delivery Shield. This provides a fully managed end-to-end software supply chain security solution for source to deployment, which has 4 components. Number 1, Cloud Workstation. It is a secure development environment, especially for remote developers and even contractors who are working with their particular sensitive data. And number 2, Azure open source software scanners analyze and test over 250 widely used Java and Python packages. This is another great update to secure the software libraries. And number 3, that is Cloud Build CI/CD pipelines. Continuous integration service now provides support for SALSA level 3 compliance by default. So they are providing the SALSA level 3 security for CI/CD pipelines. It's a great integration. Next, our 4th is GKE Security Posture, provides opinionated guidance to improve the security posture to containers workloads. Okay, let's go with our 11th update now. Skill Boost and Innovators Plus. This is a great update for students and even the working professions who are thinking to learn Google Cloud. To help developers learn faster, Google is the very first cloud provider to launch a learning subscription. Today, they are even combining it with learning benefits with new perks, including cloud credits, certificate exam vouchers, live learning events, and even unique access to some of the superstar Google engineers and many more. This is the greatest update. Let's go with the 12th update. That is TPU, Tensor Processing Unit V4. For optimal infrastructure, Google built a Tensor Processing Unit TPU V4. So TPU V4 is now generally available and runs large scale of training workload up to 80% faster and 50% cheaper. I'll give you all an example. LG AI Research used TPUs to train an AI model that has 300 billion parameters. So 300 billion parameters, even Google Cloud can train that. It's a great update. Let's go with our 13th update now. NVIDIA is collaborating with Google Cloud to extend an AI infrastructure. Today, Google is collaborating with NVIDIA to support an open AI workloads. So NVIDIA and Google are partnering to promote open source, which will be helpful for developers and even who want to test their models in NVIDIA using cloud, and collaborating with an open source AI frameworks including OpenXLA, JAX and Mon AI will be available in that. So let's go with our 14th update now. That is high performance computing, C3 instance and hyperdisk. Okay, for high performance computing, new C3 instance is including Intel Sapphire rapid processor with 200 GB per second networking. For high performance storage, new hyperdisks were introduced which can deliver 80% higher IOPS in less efficient time and storage performance. Let's go to our 15th update, that is Chronicle Security Operations. It helps in identifying security and effectively and resolving the security threats and speed and scale the intelligence of Google. This is the greatest update which will be helpful for cyber security experts. To give customers the latest threat signal, a cyber expert at computer speed delivers automatically through SaaS products. They automatically deliver the signals through the SaaS products. So let's go with our 16th update now. Sovereign Cloud Partners. Google launches a new cloud-ready sovereign solution program with Palo Alto Networks and Thales Semitic and many other partners, all leading endpoint security vendors. Which third-party security tools meet the standards set by Google? Google intends to keep expanding in open security ecosystem with all endpoint and the third-party security solutions to keep users secure. Good update. Let's go with the 17th update now. That is Smart Canvas. It is an extendable for third-party applications like Salesforce, Tableau, Figma, Zendesk and many more. So it is a smart chip for third-party apps. So from now onwards, Smart Canvas supports the third-party apps also. It's a great update. Let's go with the 18th update now. Companion mode for mobile screen. In Google Meet, a companion mode as a second screen maker is easier for people to be seen and heard whether you are in the office or at home. Previously, companion mode was having some issues, but I hope Google have solved that. Now they have introduced it to mobiles also. This is the greatest update for the people who are attending their meets, especially to the software employees. Let's go to the 19th update now. That is Speaker Spotlight. It helps in Google Slides collapsing the boundary between the story and storyteller. All these built on the secure, private and complaint platform. So the speaker who is gonna speak and explain that particular slides, his voice will be separately heard. So this is okay, it's a great update. Let's go with the next update now. 20, that is client-side encryption. Client-side encryption for Google Calendar and Gmail are supported for global data loss prevention in real time in Google Chat. So previously there was an issue like someone might hack your calendar. That is only for business people who are using the calendar to maintain their day-to-day activities and meetings. So now Google is even providing the client-side encryption for them also to secure their calendar and should not get to know that what they are doing in their day-to-day life. So this is another great update. Let's go with our last and final update now, that is 21. Digital workspace for the future. Google envisioned a whole new era of communication, expression and co-creation, all powered by incredible advancement in AI. A generative AI unleashes people to create and unlock the new workflow. For example, a person asks like this. Let me explain you all with this example. Create a 90 seconds video for this particular data. They have imported the data. Use assets from that particular folder. Our brand guidelines, use beat music, upbeat music and make it feel outdoory. So this is the particular text they have given. So from this they are expecting a video. So when they do that, this will be the update for them. So the left side one, the images which are available. So this is the result for that particular text. If you are not able to understand, just go to this slide and pause it and just read that properly and match it with this particular image. And it also gives you the suggestions for some topics, whether you are writing or you are explaining. So this is the greatest update 21. It might be a bit useful. So let's go for the final. Yeah. So that's all friends, we have come to the end of this video. Don't worry, I'll be even providing you all an article related to this, which will be in the Medium blog, and the blog link will be in this particular video description. And also my previous video related to Python, and even the videos related to virtual machine series, the playlist, everything, the link will be in the description. Do check out, and also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. Meet you all with the next video.